Good morning, day 56 of 75 Hard. You know, I pretty much operate on autopilot most days, and not like I'm aware of my world, but like my schedule, I wake up, I get moving. My routine's kind of the same, especially on 75 Hard. And, you know, it's a weekend day, so I'm up early, but not as early as usual. On the weekends, I try to get up still early, get shit done, so I'm back home slightly after my toddler wakes up, so I have family time and all that stuff. So I get up this morning, I get ready, I go in the kitchen to get out the door, and I look at the clock and I'm like, that doesn't seem right. Why is it? Did I set my alarm wrong? Did I get up too early? Not that that's a problem or not. Totally oblivious to daylight savings time. Like 100% oblivious. Had no clue. I thought about it a few days ago, and outside of that, didn't have a clue that the time changed overnight, because my phone, which I'm assuming has the correct time, was not what the microwave and the oven had, and I got real confused for a few seconds. Anyway, that's what happens when you just have a routine and you stick to your routine and you don't really care about what's going on externally from you. I mean, you should a little bit, but like, it doesn't make a difference. I'm at the gym now, enjoying some heated seats before I go in and get moving. Anyway, if you didn't know, the clocks move forward. So there you go. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you later. All right, what's up, party people? Day 56. All my tasks are done. It is like, I don't know, not even 6 o'clock. Feels great to have it all done. You know, I was thinking, again, this is my fourth time doing 75 Hard. This may be, I don't know if you can say like the most successful, because to me, like, if you complete it, you successfully did it. But maybe the most successfully executed round of 75 Hard that I've done, simply because I've been able to find a routine that works consistently day after day, even on the weekends. I've been able to prioritize my morning workout on the weekends, which is a huge difference from times before where I kind of would wait till later in the day or try to squeeze shit in late. You know, I've been getting up early on the weekends, which again, I don't normally do. But getting up early, getting those workouts done, and it makes the day a lot easier, because that means I'm drinking water earlier, I get my pick done. It just really gives me a jump start on the day. So again, I'll keep saying it till I'm blue in the face. Like, you don't have to get up early to be successful in anything in life, but it fucking helps. Just saying. Y'all have a great day. See you later. Big kisses.